Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Sure, I'd be more than happy to put the U-joints in the shafts for people for the locking ups. Because with good clean parts, it's real easy to do. Now, I don't even fuck around with trying to get the old U-joints out on a Dodge truck or any other truck anymore. I've hurt myself too many times. I just get a grinder out, cut off wheel, or the torch. Ain't no disassembling for the Ram Man. Way too much work. Way too much work. My old man, he used to get so mad at me for beating on parts. You know, he's big time engineer and all. But yeah, he'd just get furious with me. So he made me use blocks and aluminum and the wood thing and get some of this started a little bit on this wood. It's not real hard if you've done a few. I'm not sure what my total time is on this install. Probably less than 2 minutes flat. And of course I'm bullshitting with you guys too. There we go. Gonna send them off to Martin. You just got to do the other side, brother. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking. Yep. Less than 2 minutes flat.